How to use ERPNext. The first, ERPNext is a free open source business management software that integrates various functions like accounting, inventory, human resources, and customer relationship management into a single system. So if you're currently running up even if a small business or a large group business, you might actually need to use ERPNext as one of your tools. So first is open up any web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, ERPNext is actually powered by Frappy.io. Just have to head into their official site, and at the top right hand, you should be able to see Start a Free Trial. So if this is your first time, click on Start a Free Trial, and then on the next page, you will be asked or you will have an option to sign up with email or continue with the Google that you have. So let's just go ahead and log in using our Google account here. Now to set up your account, input your first name, last name, email address, and the country where you're in. Once you're done, hit on create account. Once you successfully created your account, you have to set up your website. And that's basically it. Just a very short video on how you use ERP Next.